There are many, many different types of energy found on Earth. Some are really common, like gravitational potential energy and kinetic energy, and some are quite obscure, like surface energy or muscular energy. Let's briefly talk about some of the more common types of energy, aside from gravitational potential and kinetic energy. This will help us understand how we actually interact with energy all of the time, and how energy constantly affects and alters the world we live in. Mechanical energy. Mechanical energy can be defined as the sum of an object's potential and kinetic energy that is used to do work. Think of a camper trying to chop some wood. His mechanical energy as he brings the axe down towards the piece of wood is the sum of the kinetic energy, the energy due to the motion of swinging the axe, plus the energy because of the height of the axe or the gravitational potential energy. Then there is sound energy. Sound energy is the energy produced by the vibration of matter. If you were to speak into a loudspeaker, your vocal cords are vibrating in order to make sound, the sound of your voice. And the loudspeaker itself is vibrating internally in order to amplify your sound. How about elastic energy? This is the stored energy as a result of a deformation of an elastic object. Think of a bungee jumper attached to the cord. As the cord stretches and stretches, it becomes deformed to the point where it bounces back to try to return to its natural form. When the rope is in its stretched form, we have elastic energy. Light energy, also known as radiant energy, it is an electromagnetic radiation that is visible to the human eye. Think about this. If we didn't have this type of energy on Earth, we wouldn't be able to see anything, much less live. Then we have chemical energy. This is the energy stored in the bonds of chemical compounds and is released during a chemical reaction. Batteries are examples of chemical reactions. Once the battery is connected to a circuit, chemical reactions occur to cause the flow of electrical energy. And fireworks. Who doesn't love a good fireworks show? They're a great example of energy being released because of a chemical reaction. Nuclear energy. Nuclear energy is the energy released by reactions within an atom's nucleus, either by fission or fusion. There are pros and cons to this type of reaction, and scientists continue to work hard to make it a legitimate and safe energy source. And the last type of energy we will introduce you to is electrical energy. This one you're probably quite familiar with, as you yourself use it daily. Electrical energy is the energy made available by the flow of electric charges through a conductor such as a wire. Have you ever wondered why birds don't get electrocuted when sitting on the power lines? It's because they are not good conductors of electricity. Their feet and feathers don't provide a better path for the electricity to travel through than the wire it's currently passing through.